This is Dave Caputo here for Nerdabout, and I'm here today at Tisch ITP to talk to Kate Hartman, who's a teacher and artist here at the school. She's going to talk to us a little bit about wearable technologies.
My name is Kate Hartman. I am an artist, researcher, and educator. I teach physical and wearable computing at New York University's Interactive Telecommunications program and at Parsons, the New School for Design. I do a lot of work with wearable electronics, using conductive textiles as a method for creating soft circuits that are better suited for the body.
So this is botanicals.
Yeah, so this is the Botanicals DIY kit. So basically, what we have here is the sensing unit. So if I just wanted to check on the status of my plant, see how moist the soil is, anything like that, I can actually press it and it will send me a Twitter update with how moist the soil is. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can see the communication light lights up. So we can see here actually that last night at like 8:40 p.m. it said, urgent, water me. So it's quite thirsty, so maybe we can go ahead and water it. Basically there's two probes inserted into the soil and we're measuring the conductivity of across the probes. And so as the soil gets more moist, the level of conductivity rises. And so that's all being evaluated by the microcontroller here on the board. So it takes a second. This is a project called Reconnect, which is actually this hooded sweatshirt that when you hug yourself, it enables a series of vibrations along your back, so it's sort of soothing. So you get feedback for this physical relationship that you have with yourself. So this is the sweatshirt. But what's different about this is that it has these conductive patches on the shoulders. And actually when you unroll these sleeves here, it exposes another set of conductive fabric. So basically, when you unroll these and hug yourself, you actually close a circuit. So you're physically, holding onto yourself, and you're also, allowing electricity to flow. So this is a project that I co-developed with my collaborator Rob Polluti, and it's essentially a sewable radio. And it's part of this larger suite of devices called lily pads, and they're circuit boards that are meant to be sewn. So it's really part of this whole wearable technology movement. This is the muttering hat. And so this is the first in a long series of sort of conceptual explorations of how we relate to ourselves and to others. And so basically the concept behind the muttering hat is it's looking at what it would be like if we could liberate the noise of our thoughts, or quote unquote the voices in our head. Mm-hmm. There are these sort of tentacles that come out of your head, and they actually lead to these balls, these muttering balls. So these balls emit muttering noises, and so it's kind of an illustration of the sound of your thoughts. So basically the way it functions is that these balls are tethered to you, and they can either be stuck to your head so that it's kind of crazy and overwhelming, but they can also be detached so that you can not only get some space from them, but you can also share them with someone else. This is the Gut Listener, and it is a device that allows you to listen to your gut. You have to be very, very quiet, but if you're very quiet and still, then you listen, you can actually hear the rumblings of your innards. The inflatable heart is basically an external organ that you can, pin to your clothing or wherever you like. And it's operated by the user, so you can pump it, and you can inflate it or deflate it, or, have it sort of beat. It's used in a variety of different ways. Some people use it to express admiration or lust. Some people use it to express fear or anxiety. I've also had people use it as a tool for storytelling, to use it to emphasize different things that they're saying. But it's something that I really enjoy it because it's very simple and very easy to make, and so it allows me to get it out into social situations, which can be quite interesting.